Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and create AngelList account. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. Now first things first, simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer and simply go ahead and search for AngelList just like that and click on the first link right over here. Now you're going to be on this page right over here. All you need to do is go ahead and click on sign in on the top right. Now even if you don't have an account, just go ahead and enter your email address and click on continue, and they'll ask you to verify your email and they'll send you a code to that email. Simply go ahead and enter that code back here and they'll ask you to create a password and your account should be ready. So let me just go ahead and do that. Now once you've done that, it's going to ask you for your full name. Simply go ahead and enter that. Now simply go ahead and take or check mark all these boxes and click on next, and now your account should be ready. Go ahead and use your phone number to have a two-factor authentication, and that is about it. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.